union and intersection of sets. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question about the basics of sets, you should watch this video before continuing. Union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set of elements that belong to A or to B or to both A and B, and is written A union B. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both sets, and is written A intersection B. For example, suppose we were to take three sets as follows. We take the universal set to be all positive integers less than 10. Set A is the set of prime numbers less than 10, and the set B is the set of odd numbers less than 10. First, we list the elements of each set. Find A intersection B and show this information on a Venn diagram. Look at the sets A and B. We can see that three elements, namely 3, 5, and 7, are common to both sets. The elements common to both sets form the intersection of the two sets. Therefore, we can write the intersection as 3, 5, and 7. The set of numbers that are both prime and odd is where the sets A and B overlap. A intersection B is shaded blue. The remaining elements of universal set go outside the two circles. Find B, A union B, and show this information on a Venn diagram. The union of set A and B contains all elements belonging to A or B or both. We can write the union as 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. A union B is shaded red. Find the complement of A union B with respect to universal set. The complement of A union B is the set of all elements of the universal set which are not elements of A union B. The complement of A union B concerning to universal set is shaded gray. We can use a Venn diagram to illustrate regions such as the union, intersection, or complement of sets. So you may be given a Venn diagram and then be asked to use set notation to describe the shaded region. Pay attention in the following examples. A intersection B. The complement of A intersection B. A union B. The complement of A union B. The complement of A. The complement of set B. Look at the following example. Consider the universal set to be all integers between 0 and 12. The set A is the set of prime numbers from 2 to 11. The set B is the set of numbers 1, 3, 6, 7, and 8. List the universal set. Now we start drawing the rectangle, and inside the rectangle we draw the circles representing the sets A and B. We notice that 3 and 7 are in both A and B, so the circles representing A and B must overlap. We place 3 and 7 in the overlap, then fill in the rest of A, then fill in the rest of B. The remaining elements of universal set go outside the two circles. Let's list the set of A intersection B and A union B. The number of elements in set A intersection B is 2. And the number of elements in set A union B is 8. The complement of A is the set of all elements which are not elements of A. The complement of the set A is the following numbers. The complement of B is the set of all elements which are not elements of B. The complement of a set B is the set of the following numbers. To show the set of complement of A intersection B, we must perform the intersection of B with the complement of A. First, we show the complement of A on the Venn diagram. Then we show the set B on the Venn diagram. Then we show the set of complement of A intersection B on the Venn diagram.